PlasTell is an easy-to-use plastics identifier. The instrument uses industry-standard infrared analysis techniques and cutting-edge machine learning algorithms in a highly accessible and robust package. PlasTell is able to efficiently identify unknown plastics on site without the need for lab analysis. A wide range of plastics are supported with the device, and specialist plastics can be added upon request. The device requires no training. Simply place your sample on the sensor to scan. Add traceability and data streams to your sorting thanks to our cloud system. The instrument's cloud capability, together with our free phone app, allow you to gather additional insights into your samples. You can save and view spectra from your measurements to your own collections. To find out more about PlasTell, visit us at matoha.com.